What's up, guys? It's Nate's Fishing World here. Sorry about the lack of posting again. The rain in Florida was not good, so it gave me no chance of fishing at all. But I did post a short yesterday. If you want to go check that out, it's how to spool up a bait caster reel in under 1 minute. But today we're in my community again. We're fishing just a little canal. My top water lure is back. But today we're gonna try to focus more on the sinking lure, which is my half-ounce spoon, 40-pound braided line, stealth braid, I think is what it's called, with 25-pound fluorocarbon leader. This is a Lew's Speed Spool LFS baitcaster reel, 7:5:1 gear ratio, paired up with a Bass Pro Shops Graphite Series, 7-foot medium heavy rod. Today I'm just gonna catch bass today, or anything else that I can catch. No live bait right now at this precise moment, but let's get to fishing. All right, so what I like best about this spoon right here is not only they come in different sizes, but it works so well for me. Like, this is my best all-around lure you can use. It's cheap. I got this for $1.97 at Walmart. I also have a 1 ounce that I got for another $1.97. It's gold and it's 1 ounce, which is a little bit bigger than this and a little bit heavier. But this does the job. Like, I catch endless amount of fish. So today we're gonna try it out in this canal. I never tried this canal before, I believe, at least on video, and not on this lure. I have tried it on like a Texas rig hook with a 10-inch worm. Didn't work out best for me. So let's try this spoon. For those that don't know how to work a spoon, what you're going to want to do is let it sink a little bit. Let it sink just a little bit. Let it sink to the ground. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually twitch it. So twitch, because what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to act as a dying fish is in action. So again, you can twitch up, down, side, however you would like. And this isn't for those that are fishers in the northern area outside of Florida, that's like more pikes and all those bigger freshwater fish. Little information, these actually work for bass and all other types of fish, even saltwater fish. Not only just for muskies and pike and like other freshwater fish that's not native to Florida. Smallmouth, largemouth bass, sea bass, any type of fish really would just go for it. I like the sleek design, and you can tell it has like a slenderish design. It has a size 4 treble hook with a red flasher. I guess don't know what the point of that is really. You pair it up with a nice rod with a kind of, I would say more of like a high speed or mid speed kind of gear ratio. And preferably a bait caster reel so you have a little more control. It just works so well, in my opinion. If this doesn't work out for me, I will eventually switch to the larger spoon. But who knows? Maybe I'll catch something. Because as I was walking here, I did see a little 3-4 pounder swimming around the shore. So let's see if I can catch it. I don't know where it went, but I saw it. Make sure to also subscribe for my gaming channel. It's Lazy Dominican Gaming, or Lazy_Dominican Gaming, all in one word, and with caps. There I'll be posting my gaming stuff. And like just other stuff in general. Maybe vlogs, who knows. I haven't posted in that channel a while because I've been focusing more on my fishing channel. because I actually, believe it or not, I don't really play video games like that anymore. I used to play every game you can imagine: Call of Duty, Roblox, Minecraft, racing games. I mean, I still play them today currently, but like not as much. So make sure to click that top right corner for my gaming channel. And also check out my new, got snagged here. Check out my new video, or my recent video. Um, Aside from my YouTube short, it's, I believe, my new lure, or no, sorry, it's my live bait video, which is something I've never done before. And it was my first time live baiting with shiners. We're catching a lot of seaweed. That's the only thing I don't like about canals, everyone. There's a lot of weeds and garbage and stuff. Cast a little bit to the side over here. So again, for those Florida anglers, let me know any spots that I can actually fish at, any good spots that'll doesn't really require as much live bait, or like stuff that I can actually catch really decent fish, decent or big fish, personal best fish, just anything I can catch. Let me know in the comments, or join my Discord and DM me. Also, hang out on my Instagram, which is Nate's Fishing World, same YouTube name as my YouTube. Um, Make sure to follow me. There I'll be posting trailers about like fishing trips and a bunch of other jazz. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got snagged. This thing, you gotta watch out for treble hooks. Also, you get hooked easier, and they catch everything. Oh, we caught another weeds. Another con of this of the spoon is that they don't really like catch a lot of weed. Aside from like the treble hooks, yes, they do catch weed, but with its sleek design, I'm gonna bring it up for you. With its sleek design, I don't know if you can tell, the little, it's like a little silver, it's like an oval, kind of, got hooked. The rod fell, no, got hooked. It has like a little curve to it. It works better because you don't catch like, or it comes off right easily. So instead of like having like taking time to pull off a bunch of weeds and all that stuff, it really technically outdoes it itself. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot better and saves a lot more time, and I can fish more. And one last thing about the spoon, you can also, aside from it being cheap and like the sharp movements, um, it works in any time of the year. It works in any water. Um, they have all sorts of colors. They have like a rooster color. They can have this silver color, which is what I have right now. I also have a gold color, which is what they have. They have rose colored, rose gold, pretty much any color you can really think of. They also have some that have designs like red and white. Um, it's just a really good color. Like, but the red and white is mostly used for salt water, I guess you can say. So I'm getting a lot of bites. but there's no action. Alright guys, we're gonna move to a different spot, see what I can get. Alright guys, I just wanted to reflect on something real quick. We'll get back to fishing in a second, but I don't like how people pollute our waters. You see all those plastics, bottled water, or beers, a soccer ball, don't know what that is. Over here, there's like beer cans, there's more sports balls, there's plates, there's a tire, there's propane tanks. I don't like how people just destroy the water like that. I really don't enjoy it. It makes me angry because that's what kills our fish. That's what kills the fish, and it loses the ability for people to actually catch fish. And every day we're losing our fish due to pollution. So that's a quick heads up. It's not good. It's very, very bad. But as you can see, there is an opening in that canal, this canal, that canal, and that canal. It's all four sides connect, which is amazing. Probably lots of fish are coming through. Let's see what we can catch. Maybe we'll even catch some, I don't know, maybe this is probably also connected to water or something. Who knows? Just salt water is what I meant, not just by water. I highly doubt this is connected to salt water, but one way to find out. That's a nice cast. That's where I actually wanted it. I don't know if you guys can see, but over there, there's a lot of ripples. We're going very slowly because there's action. I'm getting a little bit of bites, and we caught some weeds, but that's okay. It's gonna happen. There's another nice cast. Another thing with this, with the spoon, how you reel it or how you use it, you can stop and like reel, stop, reel, twitch, but you can also like reel and kind of slow and like still twitch it, which is personally one of my favorite things. I actually get a lot more bites that way. Oh, there's some, I see some bass over there. Let's let it sink. No. We got caught on some little bit of weeds, but that's okay. Let's see. I'm really hoping to catch something for you guys today. Let's see what's in store. The top water, to be honest. The top water is actually back. I will bring that out right now. Alright guys. My top water is back again. Daiwa CT150, 7.3 gear ratio. Berkeley 7-foot medium heavy rod, and a 30 pound braid, fluorocarbon. 30-pound braid, Power Pro, and a 1 ounce chopo. Let's see what we can catch in the top water. Why is it making that noise? Alright. I had to drive this top water around because I don't know if you guys can see the lily pads are drifting this way, and they were drifting the way I was actually reeling in. So hopefully I don't lose my lure again, because this is my last top water. Hopefully I can get more top waters. I'm very excited about that. But I am mostly excited about getting my top water reel back in session. Just like back from the dead. Oh, there's some stuff over here. This is the thing that I hate about canals. You gotta fish them out from the ground because they get stuck often. Especially, it's worse when I have treble hooks. Just clean it off in this water. There we go. Take this little bit of leaves off, and we should be good. Yep. All right. Aww. Again, it got caught in the line. I hate when that happens, especially with treble hooks. Get caught on everything. All right. Oh, there's something wrong with the line. Oh, this wind is being very annoying. It's pushing the lily pads this way, exactly where I'm casting, and it's not looking good. Let's try casting here. You gotta do that. Gotta bring the rod up more so you can actually not get the lure dirty or not get any of the lure stuck in the grass. Okay. Got stuck right in the lily pads. We're good. All right, we're gonna switch back to the other spoon. See what else we can get. Eventually, it is gonna have to come to an end soon because I don't want this video to be too long. I want people to watch my videos. I want to blow up. I want other people to fish with me, you know. I want people to recognize me. I want to kind of be like famous, my own little celebrity. Backlash here. But there is fish here. Next time, I will end up coming back here. There is a little divot actually right here that I can stand at. A little bit of space, but I should be fine. I'll leave the tripod a little closer up here next time. And I will actually fish from there. That way I have more casting distance. I actually have more. It's easier for me to bring the fish up if I catch it. And I won't get stuck on a little divot here. You know what I'm saying? Backlash. It's wonderful. Down I go. But there is fish in here again. I actually, when I was coming here, there is like maybe a 3-4 pounder. There's also another 1 pounder. There's a bunch of fish coming up on the shore, hiding under the lily pads. They're also coming up above the water. So maybe, let's see what I can do. I'm really trying to catch something for you guys. See, I don't know if the camera caught that, but we're catching 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that already have fish coming up. Maybe they were looking for that top water. Who knows? Uh-oh. Alright, guys. Last cast. Let's see if we catch something. Where should I cast? Let's cast over there. Bird's nest. That wasn't a good cast. We're going to try again and take it serious this time. That's the thing about bait casters, guys. You can't cast too hard, because if you do, that is what happens. That's what happens when you cast too hard. You get bird's nest, or you get backlash, which is the worst of the worst you can ever do. Because sometime soon you're gonna have to end up either replacing your line, or you're gonna cut up a lot of your line if you can't save it, and probably replace it, or your line and your spool is gonna get really low, which has happened to me multiple times, and I had eventually fixed it over time. But your best bet is to just start off casting really, like, not really soft, like not as hard. Then as you progressively get more and more comfortable, start like really putting in to your throws. You know what I'm saying? Got caught in weeds. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there's a bunch of, there's fish jumping up and down in the water. Let's see if I can catch it. No. Alright guys, I guess that'll be the end of my video today. Unfortunately, I didn't catch anything. I'm sorry to let you guys down. I'm really trying my best to catch something for you guys. The spoon was unsuccessful. Usually it is successful in most places. I haven't tried this spot in a while, or with this particular lure. So we'll try again. I'll try again and again and again until I actually get 1 or 2 catches. Once I get like 2 catches on this lure, I think I think it'll work perfectly fine. But as usual, I see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.